That just happened. Looks like chocolate. No, but it's actually this foundation. R.I.P. bro. Hola amigos! I think my self-timer just ran out of battery. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today with another makeup tutorial. Okay, so I want to film a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, but I don't want to do like a normal, boring, yes, I'm cute kind of makeup tutorial. I want to do a badass, bad girl, fuck Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I know this kind of makeup tutorial is not really the most innovative thing. It has been done before, but I want to do it. So why the fuck not? I just want to do my version of it and let's see what happens. You already know, I don't. Let's do this. I'm gonna go in with this palette again. It looks very filthy, but I just love this palette from L'Oreal. And I'm always going in with that green shade to hide my red scars. And after that, I'm going in with this shade to cover up the green undertone. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever HD foundation stick, which I haven't used in years probably, so I think it's your turn again. I mean, do these expire?
Yes, kick it on, baby.
And just a tiny bit of the L'Oreal Total Cover Foundation. Okay, next we're gonna get into some concealer, and of course I'm gonna try out the Sharp Tape. And of course I'm gonna try out the Tarte Shape Tape. I mean, I tried it a couple of times. It is very heavy, but I'm all about heavy today, so let's just put it on. So as long as you don't put on too much, it's all fine. I think that was already too much. Oh, the concealer face is the prettiest thing in the world. There is a huge pimple on my chin, and it's not Alberto. By the way, if you're interested in Alberto's story, he moved back to Spain because he had a little bit of money problems here, and he just couldn't pay the rent anymore, so there had to be consequences. But I think he's better off just living in Spain because it's just his homeland, and he was kind of lost here, but he was actually very nice, so let's all think of him and send lots of greets. Love you, baby. But don't worry, we got a new friend coming down here on my chin. She hasn't really arrived yet, she's still on her way, but by tomorrow she should be there. Her name is Juanita. Giving your pimples names just makes it so much better because I kind of feel emotionally attached to them now. Let's set Juanita down here. I love when I set my face and I remember I wanted to do cream contour, which happens basically every day. So now I quickly want to do my eyebrows. I don't know if it's gonna be quickly, but I'll try. Already f***ed up. What is that? Sorry, I did my brows off camera. They get kind of intense, but I don't mind it because sometimes you just gotta do intense things. Okay, for my eyeshadow part, I want to go into like a grungy kind of direction. I don't know what I want. Let's just do something and then I can say that that was all planned afterwards. So I still want to do a Valentine's look, if you forgot. And for this particular reason, I'm gonna use the Marvicon palette by Marvin Magnificent from BH Cosmetics. And this palette is the cutest thing ever. Look at it. It has a little unicorn! In Germany, this is already out since December, and I think in America it's gonna be out in summer. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna go in with Tongue Pop. This pink down here. Ooh. Oh, this palette is so pigmented, you guys. And it has a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm just applying it onto my whole lid. Yes, bitch. And then I'm gonna go in with a packing brush and still this pink because I'm feeling it right now. And I'm just gonna pat it onto my lid. I'm gonna apply a little bit of powder just to catch the fallout. And I'm gonna go in with Breakdown, this black shade, and I'm gonna apply it like super close to my lash line. And I'm gonna smudge it out with my finger because we want that grungy effect. I kind of want it to look a little messy, like a little bit like unplanned. I'm good at being unplanned and messy. Let's do a little more black. This is already this kind of look, which I never ever do. Like when I put on my eye makeup, I always stay like very light and I stay away from black because it just doesn't look good on me. I feel like it doesn't look good on me. I mean, other people have other preferences. Let's just change it up for once. Okay, you guys, I gotta say, even though I don't like black eyeshadow on myself that much, I'm obsessed with this color combo. It looks so fierce. Exactly what I wanted. I'm talking to myself in the mirror if you wonder. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that pink on my lower lash line as well. And then probably some black also. Who is she? And now I'm gonna add some lashes. These are Lily Lashes Miami. Nothing new, you all know them. Okay. Where is my lash glue? Where is my lash glue? I found it. And you all know the song.
Putting on lash glue is the most boring thing in the world.
And while that shit is drying, we can already put on some mascara. I'm so not used to seeing so much makeup on my eyes. Let's quickly chisel out those cheekbones and everything. Oh shit, that was mascara. So let's quickly chisel out those cheekbones and everything else on that face, because right now I still look like a pancake. So now I'm going to use the Oprah Cosmetics blush palette and this shade right here, I guess. And let's dive into the Marvicon palette again, and I'm going to go in with Sheesh, this highlighting shade. Oh, good morning. Okay, now to add a little bit of Valentine's Day vibe to my face, I'm gonna draw a little broken heart on my face. How am I gonna do that? Ugh. What the hell is this? That shit is so ugly. It looks like a little sausage, a burnt sausage. I totally love destroying my base. That's my favorite thing to do. I hate this. That looks so horrible. Okay, I think I saved the situation, but I still have to draw that heart. I really underestimated it. Maybe I should do it on the left side. We're gonna leave it like this. So let's do the lips now. I am just obsessed with black lipstick. I just love it, and I feel like there's no better look to wear black lipstick than with this one. I'm gonna line my lips with the ABH waterproof gel eyeliner. Yes, I'm gonna use an eyeliner. Soaring, flying. Oh, and now I'm going in with ABH as well. This is the liquid lipstick in the shade Midnight. Midnight. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of shine to my lids. Yes, I kind of want to add a little bit of gloss because I love this glossy lid lately. Oh. And now just the final touch is this little nose piercing. Actually, I ordered a fake nose piercing from ASOS, but it was so tiny that I lost it. And now I just took a old ring of mine. Oh my god. No, it fell into my rug. And my rug is super duper fluffy. I'm never gonna find it again. You guys, I'm the dumbest person on earth. Why did I have to drop it? I found it! It's a miracle. Oh my god, yes, queen. Okay, guys, that was actually it. Anyways, tell me in the comments if you like this look on me. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and Naomijon on Twitter. I wish you all a great Valentine's Day. For my part, my Valentine's Day is just gonna be as usual. I'm gonna go to work and then I'm gonna come home late in the evening and then I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. Well, that was dark. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.